Hey everybody! It's Friday. It's actually not our last day. I didn't realize it's day 11 of 11, but we're going to do a half day tomorrow. Today was pretty epic. I was actually teaching the design and taking the students all through their own design assignments, basically. So at the start of the workshop, the first week, I give them a design guide. And then they get into that and they fill out their things and they start honing in on their design, and that's their homework. And then in the second week I give them the second part of that, which is a layout and some scale drawings of different tiny house components: ceiling fans, stairs, doors, fridges, ovens, couches, beds. And then they get to put it all together into a floor plan. And then today was the day where I sit down with all of them individually, as a group, but I go through the designs individually. And we get right into it, and I give them some advice, and they have learnt a lot, so we really hone in on their designs. So that was my day. While I was away, the crew were busy. We split the group into two, so there was always 10 students on site working away. Brenton has been working on this window detail, which now you're starting to get an idea of how this is going to look. We've got an angled wall and then a window that's coming off vertical, which is pretty cool. It's a bit tricky because we're trying to match the height of this window with the window inside, so there's complexity there, and he's doing an awesome job. It's got a huge sill at the bottom and then a shelf on top, so the window sill, almost like a bay window, but it's a regular vinyl window. On the inside of this one, Steve from Canada, from Edmonton, has been taking care of all the insulation, and it looks like they're pretty much done. I've got a little bit of wiring to do, which is okay. We're going to get some solar feeds up to the roof and stuff like that. Everett from Hamilton, who's a great young carpenter, was working with Joel from Canada and the students, and we got some siding done, which is awesome. We call it VP, Visual Progress, which is nice to see. It's beautiful corner beads. We got this seamless round the corner look, and this Cryptomeria siding with the silicon bronze nails. Roses behind me. Some of these windows are just tacked in to help us get out of the weather, but Rose's place, there was quite a lot of work done that you'd already seen, I think, yesterday. We've got the back that's continuing up here. We've got Jola Josie, who's got a YouTube channel, Jola Josie, and she does filmmaking, and she's got a little gypsy wagon. She travels around New Zealand doing tiny house tours. She's awesome. She's interviewing Lee, who's the main builder on this one. This is the nice side here. We've got a couple of windows in. We've got siding happening through here. On the inside, I did have some students run a couple of cables around, and Lachlan was up on the roof getting going on finishing the ceiling here. There's a little bit to do just here. We were short on material, so Fred from Carter's Sawmill in Taronga was kind enough to set his blades and cut us some more oak. Lucky he had some, otherwise it wouldn't match. So we've got windows in. Tomorrow's going to be sweet because we'll take care of the rest of, well, not the rest, but we'll take care of the siding. I'll get some electrics in. I'll do a little bit of an electrical fit-off talk, and it'll be our last day. We've got pizzas coming soon. Over here we've got the lads. Leo's from last year's Jawa build.
Hey guys, how's it?
He brought the oak down for us so we could finish Roses. What a champion. Thanks, Leo.
Yeah, no, man. It's all coming together. It's a beautiful, beautiful team.
It is a good team.
It's a mean team, dream team.
And he's going to be DJing tomorrow?
That's right. Yeah. So Yeah, there's a 11-piece
Secret party?
11-piece Brazilian ska band that I'm coming on afterwards.
Really?
Yeah. They were like, "Well, we need Mufasa. He's the only guy that can keep the shit hot." I'm like, "Okay, I'm coming." Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun with him tomorrow. And we'll probably do a day 12. It's not day 11, it's day 12. And morale is high. It's Friday afternoon, of course. Tonight we have a talent show. So there's some people off rehearsing. And we'll get to see everyone's talents. Usually we do that in the first week. So we'll get to really get to see some people's talents. Guitars, a bunch of guitars around. There's some people rehearsing. There's people at the beach doing dance routines. And we're all going to come together tonight for some fun. So tomorrow might be a little rusty, but it's the last day. Thanks for watching. Happy Friday.